Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get transaction ID in Paxful. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, all you gotta do is open up your particular browser, type in paxful.com, get into the official website, and make sure you're signed in as well. Now right over here, go ahead, tap on this little drop down icon beside your profile icon on the right section. Then from the menu, go ahead, choose this option of trade history. Then right afterwards, the trade history gonna appear right over here. You can simply check out the particular one that you would like to choose from. Now from over here, go ahead, tap on this little drop down icon from this transaction. Once you're tapped on it, you will finally find this option of export, and now go ahead, tap on it. Choose your file preference and tap on this download option. Once you have done that, your report will be generated, which will include a transaction history details, including your transaction ID, which you can copy and you can get the information for. So that is what it takes. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.